ओके, इफ यू हॅव डाऊट यू शुड आस्क मी, राईट. मी विचारल्यानंतर केलं का मग नेक्स्ट वीक पाहिजे, मग तुम्ही म्हणणार कळत नाहीये का. जुनैद गांव को ही है क्या, कब आने वाला है, कहाँ गया है, काय रे. बर, हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. So in case, so yesterday we started with dictionary, and what is a dictionary? It's a key value pair. The important point about dictionary is what? It is a key value pair. Okay, so instead of accessing index wise, you access what? Key wise. That's the importance of a dictionary. What it saves your time. How it saves your time? The search time reduces to order of 1. Why? Let's say if I have 100 numbers and I want to search if a number is present in that 100 numbers or not, right? When I do that search, the only possible solution that I have is what? Compare with everyone. And then if found, I say that it is found, otherwise I say it is not found. So in worst case scenario, what can happen? You will end up checking everything and you will not get anything, or you will end up checking everything and last one will be your result or your matching thing. Now in this case, your time complexity is what? Order of 100 or order of n. Just normalize that 100 to what? The corresponding n. N is a generic value. It can be 1000 also, it can be 10,000 also. Now can this be done in order of 1? The answer is yes. You can do it through what? Hashing. What is hashing? Hashing is a mechanism by which you try to generate what? A unique key for the data. Okay, for the data you try to generate what? A unique key, and if that key is present, you say that data is present. So if you perform a hash, probably like mod 100, let's say if the numbers are going to be from 1 to 100, I do mod 100. So mod 100 will return me what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 99, and then it will return what? 0. So if 100 is present or not, or if 99 is present or not, if I want to check that, what I can do? Where I will put that data? I will put that data based on the hash function. So let's say 99 comes in, I do mod 100, what is the result? 99. Where I will put 99? I will put 99 at 99th location. And then when user searches for 99, I will again perform what? Hashing on it, that is mod 100. It will tell me what? Check at 99th index. So I will go and check at 99th index. If it has the value, I will say what? The value is found. See, something like this. What I mean to say is, or I will simplify. Let's consider mod 4 as hash function. Now possibility with mod 4 is what? You can get 0, 1, 2 or 3. When you do mod 4, the possible results are what? 0, 1, 2 or 3. Okay. Now user says, let's say user enters data 16. You do what? 16 mod 4. And you will put it in what? You will put it into 0th location. Now let's assume we are going to get only 4 data. Then do we need something more? And those all 4 data are going to be what? Having different mod value of 4. Then in that case, 16 I will put at 0th location. Then let's say user enters 21. I do again mod 4. I realize that what is the mod 4? Value 1. Remainder क्या है? 1 है ना? 20 को अगर mod 4 करोगे तो, so I will put at 21. I will put at first index. Then let's say user enters 46. Will again do mod 4. The remainder is what? 2. So for where 46 will be stored? It will be stored at this location. Right? Let's say user enters 83. Will again do mod 4. What is the result? 3 is the remainder. I will store it over here. Is that clear? Now user says that he wants to search 83. What you will do? You will again do 83 mod 4. Right? What's the result? 3. You will directly go in this index location and check whether there is 83. How much time you need? Did you check with 16? Did you check with 21? Did you check with 46? No. That's the advantage of hashing. Now you might say, sir, but हर बार ऐसे डिफरेंट आएगा, इसकी क्या गारंटी? दैट्स व्हाई हैशिंग कम्स विथ मोर थिंग्स. हैश फंक्शन के साथ यहाँ पे एक्चुअली अभी मैंने एक एक एलिमेंट ही कंसिडर किए थे, बट यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो सकती है? लिस्ट. तो देन यू माइट आर्ग्यू, सर फिर अगर लिस्ट है तो देन अगेन inside it will be what? Linear. Inside it will be what? Linear. Yes, that is possibility. But still you have a what? A better optimization. सब में ढूंढने से अच्छा है तुम एक मिनिमाइज लिस्ट में ढूंढ रहे हो ना, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड लिस्ट में ढूंढ रहे हो. Are you getting? That's the hashing technique. Okay, that we learn in data structure in our college days. Linear probing, chaining, सुना है क्या? Collision. When two values, let's say अभी 16 और next मैंने next दिया 20, so 20 mod 4 is what? 0. So I will go and put it over here, but when I go and put it over here I realize that there is already what? 16. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Collision. Because there is already a value with that hash result. So how to avoid collision? Then it comes linear probing, chaining, dynamic probing. Then you have something like this. There are many solutions to it. Okay, those who want to give Amazon interview, they should go through that book, or they should read these things. It's necessary. They will be asked. Persistent का interview देना है तो टेंशन मत लो. They will not ask. Is that clear? Okay. So that's hashing, and hashing is the principle behind dictionary. Dictionary में हम order of one time में या with minimum search comparison, why we are able to get to the result from a huge chunk of data? Because you perform what? Hashing. Are you getting it? That's why we have dictionary. Then you must have seen that Oxford dictionary, right? When we are in school days, we use that. So do you go by one page? If I say let's find out the meaning of success, so will you go one by one, or you will directly jump to S? You will go to your index page, right? And there you will look for S where it is starting, right? And then you will go to directly S page. This index page is nothing but what? Hashing. That's the hash table which tells you where to go. समझ रहे? अभी समझ रहे क्या? Dictionary is based on that principle. Set is also based on that principle. The only difference is what? Set is internally created by system as a dictionary. For us, set doesn't look like a dictionary. And for us, so in Python, dictionary is created using what? The representation is curly brackets. Curly brackets represents what? Dictionary. So if I want to put something in dictionary, how I will do that? How I can create an empty dictionary? This is my empty dictionary. And let's say if I want to put something in it, so I will do what? X of key. Let's say key is my 1. 1 is the integer value. X of 1 equal to 1. So this adds 1 into dictionary with key as 1. With key as 1. Then let's say I want to add 2. X of 2 equal to 2. Then 2 becomes the key and 2 is the corresponding value. Later let's say you change X of 1 equal to 100. What happens? It finds that this key is already present. It has value 1. It replaces that with value 100. It replaces that with value 100. And when you print this, you will see that it prints something like this. 1 colon 100 comma 2 colon 2. समझ रहे क्या? Are you getting it? Are you understanding? We have done this yesterday, right? We have tried out, and then we were exploring the methods of dictionary, and there we found one method known as from keys. Can everyone call that right now on your prompt? Just call that method. So I have this as X, and just call X dot, not X dot, dic dot from keys, and give in bracket X, and tell me what you see as an output. Okay, तिला बरं नाही का अजूनही? केलं का कॉल? What do you see output? Do you see this output? 1, none, 2, none. Can you see that output? ये क्रिएट करना है, ये स्टेप फॉलो करना है, ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर ये x प्रिंट करोगे तो आपको ये दिखेगा. Then you have to call dig dot from keys x. You should see this as an output. Does everyone sees that? आज तू आ गया, बाकी लोग गायब हो गए क्या? तीनों के तीनों गायब हो गए. कहां पे गए तीनों? गणपति देखने? ये ऐसे डिसाइडेड है कि भाई मतलब एक दिन एक बंदे ने जाना ही चाहिए, फिर क्या हुआ है वो उससे हम समझ के लेंगे. तीनों के तीनों गायब है. और कल बराबर तीनों के तीनों थे, तू नहीं था, आज तू है, तीनों गायब है. केलं का? पोचलं का सगळं इथपर्यंत? फ्रॉम कीजला पोचला का? 1 नन 2 नन आलं का? कृष्णा, you're getting this right? Your other part you changed it? Is it working? Did you update your from keys method? आलं का रे? आलं? गुड. पल्लवी मॅम आलं का? तुमचं आलं का? कुठपर्यंत आले तुम्ही? हे केलं का? हे झालं ना? नंतर परत एक्सप्रिंट करून बघा. 102 दिसेल आणि मग डिग डॉट फ्रॉम कीज एक्स करा, हे दिसायला पाहिजे. इथपर्यंत पोहोचले का सगळेजण? डन. ओके. सो नाउ देर इज अनदर आर्ग्युमेंट टू फ्रॉम कीज विच इज एन ऑप्शनल आर्ग्युमेंट. So you try to give that argument dig dot from keys x comma, let's say I give 1 comma 2. Now when I give 1 comma 2 there is an expectation. What is an expectation? That x के जो keys है, what x keys are? 1 2, right? The first one should take first value, second one should take second value. That is an expectation, right? But if you see the output, you see that it prints what? 1 colon 1 comma 2, 2 colon 1 comma 2. Can you see this? Can you all see this? So our assignment was what? If we have to write our own from keys method, where if the argument comes as a list, we will be taking what? Respective values and assigning one by one. समझ रहे क्या? Are you getting it? What was our assignment? This is what is happening by the system, and what we expect or what we have to do is it should give like this. ये कॉल पे it should give like this. समझ रहे? Clear है क्या? Right? So some of you have done it. I think one has done it, not or yeah, 2 people have done it. Others haven't done it. So those who have done it, they can explore the dictionary's other methods. Okay, just go through the help of dictionary and try to explore them. Those who haven't done it, look at the board. This is an important one. So def from keys, and then I am going to get one dictionary as input. So D1 is my dictionary, input dictionary, and values list is my another parameter that is going to come to this, right? Default value I have given is what? None. If nothing is passed as value list, I will assign everyone what? None. I will assign everyone what? None. जो ये हुआ कुछ नहीं दिया था तो आपको क्या मिला, 1 नन 2 नन, राइट? सेम होना चाहिए. आर यू गेटिंग दैट? राइट? ओके. So then next thing is, so after this the input, right? Now think of logic. First I will just put comment where you will perform some checking. Verify D1 is dictionary. How you can verify? You can use either type or you can use each instance. बरोबर है का? We have seen that. You can either use type or you can use what? Each instance. Okay. So you will use that. Verify D1 is dictionary. Okay. Then what we should do? So then we can actually, no need to verify whether this is, or we should verify so that we can iterate. Verify if values list is a container. Now for time being we will just verify for list and we will proceed, but it can be a tuple also. In case of tuple also we should allow it to work. समझ रहे क्या? टपल और लिस्ट में डिफरेंस क्या है? यहाँ पे ऐसे भी मुझे चेंज करना है क्या? ये नहीं. So it can come as tuple as well. Okay. So let's write the main logic. If type of values list equal list or type of values list equal tuple, in both the scenario I need to iterate on list or tuple. I need to iterate on list or tuple, and list and tuple I can access using index. So दोनों में से अगर कुछ हो, ये जो आया हुआ है, now input is going to be what? A dictionary, right? 1 1 2 2, right? This is D1, and let's say this value list is coming as 100 200. Now it can come like this or it can come like this. So it will be either list or it will be what? A tuple. So in this scenario what we need to do? We need to take key from this, value from this, key from this, value from this. That is an expected thing. Okay. So now what we will do? So one solution is, we can actually do what? We need one result dictionary. We need one result dictionary which we will be returning, because at the end output is going to be what? 100 to 200, and this is going to be our what? Return value. This is going to be what? Our return value. So we here take one result dictionary. Result is equal to empty dictionary. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Result is equal to empty dictionary. Now on dictionary there is a method which returns a list of keys. What is the name of the method? There is a method on dictionary which returns me list of keys. Am I interested in values of the dictionary, input dictionary? No, I just want what? Their keys. So what is the method name? Keys. There is a method named as keys. Okay. So which will give me what? List of keys. Okay. So I need one variable which will be an index, and which I will use to iterate on what? The list or tuple. Okay. And then I can run a loop for key in D1 dot keys. for key in d1 dot keys. What it will give me now? This will give me list of keys, and then my key will be what? Respective value, one by one. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Is that clear? Clear to everyone, right? Then my next check should be what? The value of I should be less than what? Length of list. The value of I should be what? Less than length of list. If it is less than length of list, I should take that key and the value at that corresponding index and put it into dictionary. So I will have a check if I less than length of values list. What I should do? Result of key. What is my result? Dictionary. उसके अंदर मुझे ये की डालना है ना, ये जो की मिल रही है, और वैल्यू क्या डालना है? यस, वैल्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ आई. समझ रहे क्या? वैल्यू क्या डालना है? वैल्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ आई. सिंपल है रे बघा. It's like you got one container, right, and you got another container. One container was designed in such a way that it had key values. So there were two things, right? One was the, let's say, location number and the value. Now from this container, what you did, you just took the keys. From this container you just did what? You just took out the keys. And from this container you have the values. Now there is a result container. In that what you have to do? You have to take the key, put it in the container and put the corresponding value from this into that. So that the pair of those two is created. Similarly, ये कंटेनर की सेकंड चीज उठाओगे, इसमें की सेकंड चीज उठाओगे, उनकी पेयर बनाओगे, थर्ड कंटेनर में रखोगे, फिर तीसरी चीज उठाओगे, इसकी तीसरी चीज उठाओगे, कंटेनर में रखोगे. समझ रहे हो क्या? Are you understanding? You need to play with the games. You need to play with the wood. You have to visualize it. Okay. So what happens now? Result of key. What is my key? So key is going to be 1 or 2. So first one key is what? 1. इसने मुझे क्या दिया? List दिया, which had what? 1, 2. So key was bound to 1. I was 0. Is I less than length of values list? Values list is having what? 100 and 200. So is 0 less than 2? Length is what? 2. It's true, right? We got inside. Result of key. What is my result? An empty dictionary. Of key. Key मतलब कौन है अभी? 1. So result of 1 equal to what? Values list of I. What is values list of I? I is 0. 0 से क्या मिला? 100. So result of key में क्या चला गया? 100. So मतलब result की dictionary जो empty थी, उसके अंदर अभी क्या गया? 1:100. समझ रहे? Now we need to go to next index. So we should do what? I plus equal 1. And key should also go to next value, which is going to automatically happen. इसके अंदर गया मैं, फिर बाहर आऊंगा. बाहर आने के बाद key will take next value. What will be the key's value now? 2. That is value of I 1. Is 1 less than length of value list? Yes. क्या करेंगे हम? Result of key. मतलब यहाँ पे अभी हमने क्या ऐड किया? 2 colon values list of I. What is I? I is 1. And अगर index wise check करेंगे, so what is the value which is present at first? 200. So उसने 2 colon क्या कर दिया? 200. I plus equal 1. I becomes what? 2. I becomes what? 2. And we come out of this if statement and we go to loop. अभी loop में कुछ bind होने के लिए है क्या? Keys से क्या मिला था हमें? ये लिस्ट मिली थी ना 1,2. खत्म हो गई ना? Is there anything to perform? Nothing. समझ रहे हैं? Are you getting it? So then when I come out of the loop, I will just do what? Return result. Now this is still not handling my all scenarios, okay, but it is handling the best case scenario. What is best case scenario? You have those number of keys and same number of values which you want to put in. Okay, So for Roshan and you, just try to create a dictionary, okay, and try to call this method dict.fromKeys. So this from keys method returns us what? A dictionary newly created with keys from this dictionary and value as this. Okay, now what happens is, if this is my dictionary, okay, and this is my value, so it takes 1 and this becomes its value, and it takes 2 and this becomes its value. Now what is expected, or what change we are doing is, if this is a list, then 1 को इसकी वैल्यू 1 ही जानी चाहिए, फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड की को सेकेंड वैल्यू जानी चाहिए. Okay, so if you had gone through yesterday's mail, you would have seen this. So in yesterday's mail, it has been summarized as a homework. So इथे आता माझं काय हँडल करायचं राहिलंय? बेस्ट केस सिनारिओ इज हँडल्ड. नाउ पॉसिबिलिटी इज व्हॉट? दिस इज दी पॉसिबिलिटी. लक्ष इकडे द्या सगळ्यांनी, लिहायची घाई करू नका रे, मी परत तेच सांगतो तुम्हाला. तुम्ही यू आर ऑलवेज worried about making a note of it. Don't worry about that. If it is written in your brain, right, you will never forget it. And I am not doing anything extraordinary. It's a common sense. If you realize, it's a common sense, right? If you have given this as a game to a kid, you will realize that he does that without anything, any input from you. That's how. That's what I am also doing now. I am already telling you, you have two containers. There is one container which has what? Key value pair, and there is another container where there are only values. Now it is expected you need to create third container which has keys from this and values from this. अभी क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसमें से आपने कीज उठाए, राइट, और इसमें वैल्यूज ज्यादा है. दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? इसमें कीज ज्यादा है, वैल्यूज कम है. अभी हमने बेस्ट सिनेरियो हैंडल किया. कौन सा? कीज और वैल्यूज का काउंट सेम है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? इसका की उठा रहे, इसका वैल्यू उठा रहे. की उठाने के लिए क्या किया? की के लिस्ट पे इटरेट किया, की मिल गया, फिर नए डिक्शनरी में वो की लगाया और उसकी जगह पे क्या डाला? उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू डाला. दैट्स इट. व्हाट इज डिफरेंट? इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग इट मैन्युअली, यू आर जस्ट पुटिंग इट इन सिंटैक्स. दैट्स इट. और फिर आई को इंक्रीज किया, देन योर की वेंट टू नेक्स्ट. सो यू टुक द सेकंड की, you took the second value, you put it into the third container. This is what best scenario. Now what is next scenario? Let's say your keys are more. So keys are 3, but value that is coming is 2. Now what happens? Key in d1.keys. So list will have what? 1, 2 and 3. I less than length of value list. I is starting from 0. It's 2. रिजल्ट ऑफ की मतलब 1 इक्वल टू वैल्यू लिस्ट ऑफ आई, मतलब कौन गया? 100, राइट. तो हमने रिजल्ट में 1:100 डाल दिया, आई इंक्रीज हुआ, 1 हो गया. इफ से बाहर निकले, की ने सेकेंड वैल्यू लिया, की बिकेम 2. आई लेस देन लेंथ, व्हाट इज आई? 1. इज 1 लेस देन लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यू लिस्ट? यस, वैल्यू लिस्ट इज 2. रिजल्ट ऑफ की मतलब फर्स्ट लोकेशन पे आपने 2 को डाला और 2 के जगह पे मतलब 2 का करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू 200 डाल दी, राइट. आई प्लस इक्वल 1. नाउ आई बिकम्स 2. की ने वैल्यू लिया अभी क्या? 3. इफ आई लेस देन लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यूज लिस्ट, व्हाट इज आई? 2. 2 लेस देन 2, फॉल्स. बट ये 3 को मुझे मेरे रिजल्ट में डालना है ना, विथ वैल्यू एज नन. तो वेयर शुड आई डू नाउ? एल्स पार्ट. समझ रहे क्या? अभी इसमें जाने वाले क्या हम? नहीं. तो एल्स में हम क्या करेंगे? एल्स रिजल्ट ऑफ की इक्वल टू यस नन. सो दिस रिजल्टेड इनटू व्हाट? 3:none. नाउ की को कुछ है क्या असाइन होने के लिए? नहीं. लूप से बाहर रिटर्न रिजल्ट. डू यू हैव द एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट? यस. समझ रहे क्या? आर यू गेटिंग इट एवरीवन? आर यू गेटिंग दिस? सो दिस हैंडल्स आवर व्हाट? द सेकंड सिनेरियो एज वेल, वेयर व्हाट वी हैव more keys but values are less. We have more keys, what? Values are less. Now third scenario is what? We have more values than keys. Now this can be handled in two possible solutions. First solution is what? You basically ignore the additional values. Whatever list, this value list is coming is, if it is having additional values, you ignore them. Why? Because for one-to-one mapping, the number of keys that you have already mapped values to them. So that is first solution. Another possibility, or that is now an implementation dependent. Someone might say कि नहीं, जो बचा हुआ values है ना, वो सब किसको assign कर दे? Last वाले को. अगर values list ज्यादा है, तो जो बचा हुआ है, वो किसको assign कर दे? Last वाले को. Are you understanding? Are you getting it? Right? So how we can do that then? Tell me what change I should do now here. समझ रहे क्या? अभी क्या करना है? अभी possibility जो है, so possibility is 1, 2, okay, in the input dictionary, and list as this. So expected output is that we have decided that we will implement like that. The expected output is क्योंकि 1 को 100 मिल जाएगा, 2 के लिए समझ रहे हैं? बराबर ना? So how to handle this? पण शेवटची की लक्षात ठेवायला लागेल ना. What he is telling is कि when you reach the end, so when you come out of this for loop, check whether I is less than length. That is the right solution. If I is still less than length, that means what? You are still left with some values. You are still left with some values which you need to put it into dictionary, but to the last key. That value should be added to whom? To the last key, right? So my next question is, which one is last key? How will you realize that which one is the last key? Dictionary you cannot access index wise, नहीं तो सीधा लास्ट इंडेक्स पे जाके लेंथ का इंडेक्स लेके आगे चले जाते हैं, बट वैसे पॉसिबल है क्या? हाँ, so that is one solution. What he is thinking is, before entering in this loop itself, right, I realize कि डिक्शनरी के कीज में कितने हैं, उसका लेंथ में निकाल लेता हूँ, right, and when I reaches that, what I will do, whatever is remaining values, I directly assign it as a list. समझते का? See, he is thinking from the beginning perspective, and what he is thinking is, ये जो है इसको नहीं बदलता हूँ, बाद में कुछ तो करता हूँ. समझ रहे ना? दो अप्रोच है. He is thinking from where that I realize upfront कि whether I can accommodate it as a list itself in the go, or I can do it later, what he is thinking. Okay, and I would prefer to go with the second solution, not with this one, because then the code becomes patchy, because you are doing something later, right, and which you could have done it before itself. So we can realize that. So what we can do, what he says is right, but in any scenario you need one variable. In his scenario you will need a key variable, right, or some variable which will hold what? Last key. And in his scenario you will need a variable which holds what? List, length of the keys list. समझ रहे हैं क्या? इतना समझने को अभी आना चाहिए, नहीं तो आगे के दिन बहुत बुरे होंगे. They will be all bouncers. So we'll have a length variable, okay, and So we can take length is equal to d1 dot or ln of d1 dot keys. Clear hai? Clear to everyone? Now I check I is less than length of values list, right? अभी इधर मुझे चेंज करने की जरूरत है. I less than length of values list, that is fine. Okay. Now, okay, or we can put what? One if before, where we check what? I equal length. I equal length. If that is the scenario, then what do we do? Whatever is remaining, we put in. Okay. So let's try to do it. Let's change it. Because when we reach at the last location, yeah, so when we reach at the location 2, right, I will not be less than length, I will be still less than length, but okay, fine. So we are not going to cross the range, that's what I was verifying. We can put it like this. If I is equal length. If this is the scenario, if I is equal length, that means what? See, in this scenario, I is going to increase. That remember that below part is there, where we were doing what? We were increasing I. Now what will happen? I is 0, we put 1 and 100, right? I becomes 2, or I 0 1, right? I becomes 1. Okay, so we need to do I plus 1 because we are starting with what? 0. समझ रहे क्या? Length will be what? 2. Here length of keys will be what? 2. Okay, so I start, ये 0 मैंने डाल दिया. यहाँ पे जब मैं आता हूँ तो मेरी I की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 है, and I am comparing with 2 because length is what? 2. बट मुझे किसके साथ कंपेयर करना है? I plus 1, बिकॉज माई I1 मीन्स वॉट? एक्चुअली 2. समझ रहे ना? इंडेक्स बेस्ड मैकेनिज्म है. So we are starting from 0, that's why we do plus 1. So if I plus 1 is equal length, so in that case what we need to do? Yes, result of key is equal to, yes, anyone? Yes, value list of I colon. Very good. स्लाइस कर दो ना, स्लाइस कर दो, राइट? देन else if I less than, yes, ln of values list, not less than length. क्योंकि अदरवाइज क्या हो सकता है, हमें एक और सिनेरियो हैंडल करना है जहाँ पे हम, इट शुड नॉट हैपन दैट वी आर गोइंग व्हाट? इंडेक्स एरर. इट शुड नॉट रिजल्ट इनटू इंडेक्स एरर. विल सी दैट. सो इफ दिस इज द सिनेरियो, इफ आई इज लेस देन लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यूज लिस्ट, जो हमने पहले ही लिखा हुआ है ना, राइट? व्हाट वी आर डूइंग? रिजल्ट ऑफ की इज इक्वल टू वैल्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ I. इथे कोलन द्यायचा नाहीये, आणि I plus equal 1, and we can actually break here when we reach here, but it's going to automatically come out, so don't worry. So I plus equal 1, right? Now there is a possibility. What is the possibility? In else part, the second scenario that we handled, what was the second scenario? The keys are more. The keys are more, but the values are less. In that scenario, we want to put what? None, right? So we can actually, that is an else of this. So we can write here else. In that we put what? If. समझ रहे क्या? This is an else. In that this will come below, and for that you write else. where you do what? Result of key equal to none, and then at the end you do what? At the end, in the same column of for loop, return result. Now just check whether this handles all the scenarios. Possible scenarios कोणते आहेत? सगळ्यात पहिला सिनारिओ काय आहे? 1 1, 2 2 आणि आलं काय? 100, 200. So just check. Type verification happened. We got the length. Length was what? 2. Length was what? 2. So that was fine. For key in d1 dot keys. For key in d1 dot keys. So what will happen? So we are going to iterate on this. We are going to iterate on this. So we got this as 1, 2. Then I plus 1. What is I? 0. 0 plus 1. Is it equal length? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is equal to? No. So we go in else. In else, is I less than length? Is I less than length? Yes. So what we do? Result of key. So in the result dictionary, we are putting what? 1 colon 100. And I was increased. So I became what? Initially I was 0. From 0 it became what? 1. Then we again come here. Now key take value as second one. Key take value as second one. Right? Now what happens? I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equal length. That becomes true. That becomes true. And what will happen now? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? Tell me. It will do what? 2 colon 200. Sorry. Because we are slicing here, right? I plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 equal length. That is true. Result of key equal to values list of I colon. So I is what? 1. 1 colon will give what? 1 colon will give what? This one, right? And it will add it as a list. Do we want to add it as a list? No. So we need one more condition over here. What is that condition? I plus 1 should be equal length of what? Yes, length of dictionary. That is fine, but it should not be the last element. It should not be the last element of our alien also. समझ रहे क्या? समझ रहे क्या? अभी क्या हो रहा है? अभी हमारा जो बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो कि दोनों में दो है. So what is happening? When our I reaches this point, this is also ending, right? And that's why we are putting it, but we are putting it as a list. So we want it to go in else and go and put it from this. So we should just do here one more check. I plus 1 equal to length, and I plus 1 is not equal to alien of values list. So 2 not equal to 2 will be false. So we will not go in this if, and we will go in else. I less than length. 1 is less than 2. So we will put it. So what will go now? What will go in our list or dictionary? 2 200. I plus equal 1. Now I becomes 2. I becomes 2. We come in this, but keys are list has ended. So we come out of the loop and we return. So do we have the appropriate result? So best case is now working fine. Now what is next scenario where we have what? 1 2 3 colon 3. Here. So we come here. Key in d1 dot keys. Right? So keys will have what? 3. Length value is what? 3. I is again starting with what? 0. We come here. I plus 1. That is 0 plus 1. 1 equal length आएगा नहीं है. And I plus 1. So ये नहीं है, पुढे जायची गरजच नाही. Come in else if I less than length. So 0 less than length of value list. That is true. What we do? result of key equal to value list of I. So 100 हे insert झालं. I plus equal 1, I becomes 1. You again go, key takes the next value, that is key takes the value 2, I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 equal 3, no, so we go in else. In else, I less than, so 1 less than length of value list, that is valid, so we put what, 2 colon 200. समझ रहे? I increases, now I becomes what? I becomes 2. I क्या हो गया? 2. So we come here. 2 plus 1 equal length. What is 2 plus 1? 3. Equal length? True. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. Right? 3 not equal to 2. समझ रहे क्या? 3 not equal to 2. What is going to happen? I was what? 2, right? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 was what? 3. So 3 equal length was what? True. And then you did what? 2 plus 1 again it was what? 3. Not equal to length of value list. Value list का length क्या है? 2. So तुम इसके अंदर जाओगे. And you will get what? You will get what? Will it work or you will get an error? क्या होगा? You will get an error. Why? Because you are accessing this. समझ रहे? Are you getting it? Error index error येईल ना, कारण index error म्हणजे बरोबर index error येईल ना, कारण इथे बघ माझ्याकडे 0 1 असेल आणि मी 2 इंडेक्सला ऍक्सेस करायला जाईल, कारण I ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? 2 आहे. 2 colon, so it will give me what? Index error, index out of range. समझ रहे? So now what should we do? What should we do? थक गए, दिमाग थक गया. This condition, right, of putting it in this, we should move it up. This condition of putting none, we should move it up. समझ रहे क्या? Are you getting it? Are you understanding? See, try to trace it. It's not that in the first go your program will perform correct. You should be able to trace it where it is going wrong, and then you should be able to fix it. Now what is going to happen? It's going to go here, but here there is nothing in my list. Okay, so this was my logic which I wrote previously when I didn't consider what? The scenario where we were entering in this, the remaining part. And I think the GitHub program is not considering the remaining part, it is ignoring. Right now we are considering. So if we move this over here, right, we'll put what? None. If it is not like that, we'll put what? Remaining part. So this else we don't need here. Now I need to put it in a better way so that you will understand it. So we'll keep this as it is and we'll put it here. So I hope you have that condition written already. So we'll just write this part. If I plus 1 is equal length, so this it returns true, and I plus 1 is not equal to ln of value list. This also it returns true. Just let me go to the previous condition of this, where and I plus 1 instead of not equal to, if I am able to, in the second scenario, if the length of value list was what? 3, and the I was, or this was going to end, so 1 plus 1 and this 2 less than length of value list. Okay, so here if I put less than condition, then also it should work. Okay, now you have to tell me whether this will work. कुठला? हा चालेल ना, बघ जरा. Check this. Instead of not equal to, if I put this condition, what is happening? So take first scenario. What is first scenario? You have to trace it. Basic first scenario is what? Both are having same length, right? 1 1 2 2, and you have here 100 and 200. Okay. So what is value of I? You start with 0. What is value of I? You start with 0. What is value of key? Key is going to be first time 1. You come here. I plus 1. 0 plus 1 equal length? No. So you go down. I less than length. That is 0 less than length. That is true. So you put in result dictionary 1 colon 100. Then I becomes 1. So you again come on top. You come on top. Key takes value 2. Key takes value 2. You check I plus 1. What is I plus 1? 1 plus 1, 2. Is 2 equal length? That is true. Because length is also 2. And I plus 1, that is 2. Is 2 less than length of values list? Length of values list is 2. So 2 less than 2 is false. So we don't go inside this. We come here. Right, then we check I. What is I? 1. 1 less than length of values list. That is true. So what we do? Result of key equal to value. I plus equal 1. Now this itself ends. We come out of the loop. So with best case scenario, this is working fine. Okay. Now take the scenario of which one is the next one? 1 1 2 2 3 3, and we have what? 100 and 200. So we have more keys and less values. So again I starts from 0. I starts from 0, right? This list will have what? 3. Okay. 1 less than 1 equal length. It's not there because length is what? 3. So we come here. 0 less than length of values list. Values list has 2 elements. So 0 less than that is true. So in the result you put 100. Right? Then I increases. I becomes 1. You again go on top. Now key takes value 2. Right? You do I plus 1. What is I plus 1? 1 plus 1. 2. 2 equal length? No, because in length we have how many elements? 3 elements. So we come down. I less than length? Yes. 1 is less than length of values list. What we do? Result of key is equal to value. So we put 200. Then I becomes what? 2. Now again we come on top. 2 plus 1? 3. 3 equal length. That is true. Because length of list is having how many elements? 3 elements. And I plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Is 3 less than 2? No. So we are not going in this. We go in else. What is the I? 2. Is 2 less than length of value list? No. So we go in else. What we are doing? Result of key equal to none. So 3 colon none. And then it takes the next value. There is nothing. It comes out. So it handles our second scenario as well. And the third one is what? We have here 1 2 2 2, and here we have what? 100 200 and 300. Okay. Are you getting this, everyone? And we start with 0. We start with 0. What happens now? D1 dot keys. So key is going to have this. Key is going to have this. Right? I is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is not equal to length. We go in else. Is 0 less than length? Yes. So what we put? 100, and I increases. I becomes 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Is 2 equal length? Yes. Is 2 less than length of values list? Yes. What is length of values list? 3. So condition is true. You come inside. Result of key. What is key? This one, right? 2. And what you are doing? You are slicing it, right? Values list of I colon. So what is I? 1, right? I is 1. 1 plus 1 was 2. So I is 1. 1 colon. You sliced it. What is 1 colon? 200, 300. झालं का? पाहिजे होतं ते. Then it comes out. Now key takes next value. Is there anything to take? No. We come out of the loop. Return the result. Are you getting this? By changing the condition, we are able to achieve what we are planning to do. Clear hai? Clear to everyone? Is this clear? See, try to learn this. Tracing is the most important thing. If you are able to debug your program, you can fix any problem. The main problem that we always face while doing programming is what? We don't understand what is happening. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Good. So make a note of it fast so that we can move to next program. उशिरा का आला रे? तू महत्वाचा पार्ट मिस केला. Huh? We can optimize it. There will be an optimized solution to this. There is a possibility. Sharma, you had verified with all the 3 test cases. So are they working? So you did similar way or something different? Okay, fine. From your submission, it looks like we are at 73rd assignment. So they are separate. Okay. Still it is fine, right? If everything is there, still 75 programs is good enough program, right? In 2 months. And that too only on Saturday, Sunday. Oh, so you did first for key in D1 and then appended it to list. So you can directly call keys. Okay. And then you are taking, okay, each instance, and then okay, you are checking for the length, and then it's repetitive logic, right? So try to optimize it, because then you are like repeating the same things. That's what I am seeing now. Okay, but good. Now you can write a similarly test unit functions. So if you have seen that Google way, right, what they are doing, so you can write the similar format and just print that okay, failed. How many of you have created a GitHub repository? Okay, but then have not shared with me. Many of you have not shared with me. Those who haven't done, please do it. These programs will remain with you for your life, for your next generations to generations. It will remain. So you can tell to your grandchildren that see, these are the programs that I did for Python. Write a program to accept two dictionaries and compare them key and value wise. If they are same, you should return true. If they are not same, you should return false and print that whether they are same or not. So it's like comparing dictionaries. दोघांच्या कीज सेम पाहिजे आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हॅल्यूज सेम पाहिजे. So what you will do, you will accept two dictionaries from user. Now while accepting dictionary, the point is how you accept a dictionary. जैसे list accept किया वैसे अभी dictionary कैसे accept करें. One solution is you can accept key and value in a loop and put it into dictionary. Another solution is you enter with curly brackets. The way you entered list with square brackets, you enter list dictionary with curly brackets, and then you give colon separated entities. Okay. So you will accept two dictionaries and write a compare function which takes these two dictionaries as input. Then it compares the keys, it compares the values. Corresponding values it compares. हाँ 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 कमांड प्रॉम्प्टवर इनपुट घ्यायचं ना बरोबर. झालं का? क्या हुआ कृष्णा?
We cannot give two keys in for one for loop, right?
हाँ, so now you have to apply the logic, right?
No.
Probably what you can do is, if I give solution, then it will be of no use.
Just trying for key 1, key 2 in dictionary 1, dictionary 2. That is some other.
You can do that through some other mechanism. Like you can use zip.
That is what you.
You can use zip, and then you can zip through the keys. So it's like for key 1 comma key 2 in zip of dict1 dot keys comma dict2 dot keys. But instead of that, I would prefer that you don't make it complex, you make it simpler. You take out both the list of keys. First of all, their length should be same. Then you should check, either you sort it so that it becomes easier to compare. Otherwise, when you get the list of keys, right, there is no guarantee that it will be in same order. So you sort it and then you compare one by one. And when you compare, if the keys are same after sorting, if the keys are same in the same order, you check for the value. So you need to run a loop which runs on an iterator while loop which runs on the length of keys. If they are same, then you will be iterating on both. कीजच्या लिस्ट वरती सॉर्टिंग म्हणतोय मी. की आपल्याला काय करायचंय, दोन डिक्शनरीच्या कीज आणि व्हॅल्यूज कंपेअर करायच्या आहेत. आता एक वे काय आहे की एका डिक्शनरी वरती इटरेट कर, एकाच डिक्शनरी वरती इटरेट कर, ती जी की आहे ती ह्याच्यात पण बघ आणि ती त्याच्यात एका बघ आणि पुढे जा. दॅट इज वन सोल्युशन, दॅट इज द बेस्ट ऑप्टिमाइज सोल्युशन. अनदर सोल्युशन इज टेक द लिस्ट ऑफ कीज of dictionary 1, take the list of dictionary 2, compare their length. If their length are same, then sort them so that their order will be also same, and then compare one by one. So it becomes a list comparison instead of dictionary comparison. See, एका डिक्शनरी वरती इटरेट करा आणि त्याच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हॅल्यूज, करस्पॉन्डिंग की दुसऱ्या डिक्शनरी मध्ये आहे की नाही हे चेक करा. हॅश की नावाची मेथड आहे ना, आणि जर का ती की असेल दुसऱ्या डिक्शनरी मध्ये पण, तर मग व्हॅल्यू सेम आहे का बघा, आणि असेल तर कंटिन्यू करा, नसेल तर बाहेर पडा आणि सांगा नाही येत सेम. समजतंय का? सोपं आहे ऍक्च्युली. त्या लिस्ट वगैरे जायची गरज नाहीये रे. यू डोंट नीड टू गो टू लिस्ट. यू कॅन रन an iterator on one dictionary, so you get key. Now check that key is present in second one. If it is present in second one, check their values. If the values are same, continue with the loop. If they are not same, break it. If it is not present, then also break it. चलेगा? Done anyone or still thinking? How many of you are able to proceed with accepting 2 dictionaries? Okay, first point is that. How many of you are able to accept 2 dictionaries? ते झालं का? काय हो? इसी गेला? बर. तुमचं झालं का? accept झालं का डिक्शनरी? हां. Then you wrote compare function. Did you define compare function? निखिल आगे. लेंथ कंपेयर करने की वैसे हाँ ठीक है, लेंथ कंपेयर किया तो भी चलेगा, बट फॉर डिक्शनरी इज इट गिविंग लेंथ? इज देयर अ लेंथ मेथड ऑन डिक्शनरी? ओके गुड, देन सो यू कंपेयर द लेंथ, दे शुड बी सेम. देन फॉर की इन dict1, right? If dict2 dot has key1 or that key, then you check what? The corresponding values. If the value are also same, you do what? Simple loop array. Pankaj, जमलं का? Marian, done? Error? Has underscore key. रन हो रहा है ना? अच्छा, तूने वो कीज के वैल्यू मेथड से किया है क्या? This is okay, but you don't need list of keys. You can directly iterate, right? Instead of this, you can directly iterate. But still, it is fine. So you are checking this. This is still not needed. No need to do it, right? This will be an additional check. इसकी जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि ये नॉट इक्वल टू जो है बर, ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या होगा मालूम है क्या? तो अननेसेसरी लूप अंदर चल ही रहा है जो कीज को कंपेयर कर रहा है, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. सॉरी, वो इधर हो ही जाएगा ना. हाँ, तो इसकी जगह पे तू यहाँ पे फॉर की इन कीज और फिर हैश की को यूज कर. ठीक है, मतलब ये भी बराबर आहे. काय आलं?
नाही, हे असाइनमेंट काहीतरी गडबड झाली.
ब्रॅकेट मध्ये की पास कर ना. हॅश की मेथड बघ जरा, हेल्प बघ हॅश की मेथडची. नाहीये, मग काहीतरी दुसरी मेथड असेल. नाही, काहीतरी दुसरी मेथड पाहिजे ना चेकिंगला. एक मिनिट, इफ के इन डी गेट नावाची मेथड वापरून बघा, किंवा इन आहे का बघा. असणार आहे. इन कंटेन्स आहे, कंटेन्स आहे ना. ट्रू इफ डी हॅज अ की के. इन वापरा मग. You can use in instead of hash key, that is also fine. There is a contains method. सोपं रे, फार अवघड नाही. डेफ कंपेअर dict1 comma dict2 if type of dict1 not equal to dict or type of dict2 not equal to dict. टाइप ऑफ dict1 जर का dict असेल तर dict not equal to dict is false, so it will go to second one and check. If it is not dict1 it will fail. ठीक है, return false. नंतर you can check that length, right? If alien dict1 not equal to alien dict2, return false. दोघांची लेंथ सेम आहे, लिहायची घाई करू नका. दोघांची लेंथ सेम आहे तर काय कराल नेक्स्ट स्टेप, फॉर की इन dict1 if key in dict2, तर मग काय करायचं, if key in dict2 and जर का तसं असेल key is present in dict2 as well, then I want what, dict1 of key equal dict2 of key. तर कंटिन्यू, तर कंटिन्यू, अदरवाइज ब्रेक. फक्त आता इथे हे कळणार नाहीये की आपण फेल झालोय का, कळेल खरं. समजा एल्स एक्झिक्यूट झाला, और वी कॅन हॅव अ व्हेरिएबल ऑल्सो. पहिले हे कळलंय का बघा आधी, फॉर की इन dict1 इफ की इन dict2, म्हणजे तीच की कुठे आहे, dict2 मध्ये पण आहे, अँड देअर व्हॅल्यूज आर सेम, and their values are same, then do what, continue. Continue means what, move to next key, then again check that next key is in dict2 and their corresponding values are same. परत काय, continue. कधीपर्यंत, जोपर्यंत key reaches the end of dict1. कारण इथे तू नाही लिहिलं तरी तो ऑटोमॅटिकली कीज वरतीच इटरेट करतो. लिहिलं तरी काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, इट्स ॲब्सोल्युटली फाईन. ॲट दी एंड दिस रिझल्ट्स इन टू डुईंग द सेम थिंग दॅट यू विल बी डुईंग बाय कॉलिंग कीज मेथड. समजतंय, आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो इफ वी कम आउट ऑफ दिस लूप बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रेक, if we come out of this loop because of break, what does that mean? What does that mean? Dictionaries are not same, right? So we can have here else, and we can have one thing. So I will do one thing, we'll take one retrval, a variable which will be by default, let's say, set to true, and instead of here returning I will do retrval equal to false. Here instead of if I will put else if, and here also I will put what, retrval equal to false. The advanced else if च्या ऐवजी elif है ना आपल्याकडे, we have elif, right? Yeah. And then retrval equal to false, here I will put else. हा म्हणजे काय, मैं unnecessary चार ठिकाणी रिटर्न लिहिण्यापेक्षा I will have a single return statement and I will return what, retrval. Instead of having 4, see here I need to return, here I need to return. Instead of break, in else I need to return, and again I need to return outside also. So what I will do, if I am going down, I am going to break, right? I will just make retrval as what, false, and break. And then my last statement will be what, return retrval. Now by default I have made retrval as what, true. So if it goes inside it will be false. If it goes inside this, it's not going to go in this elif, neither it is going to go in else, it will directly jump to return retrval. Okay, if it goes in this elif, it will be assigned, it will not go in else, it will directly return retrval. If it goes in else, it will come here, perform the comparison, If it performs the comparison successfully, it's not going to come down. If it comes down, it is not going to do continue. When it will come down, if the key is not present or data are not same, we'll set retrieval to false break. So we'll come out and return retrieval. ठीक आहे. dict1 of key equal dict2 of key. तुम्ही आतमध्ये लिहिलंय, मी एकाच लाईनीवर लिहिलंय. If key in dict2, this will be checked first. If that is found, then check the value and continue. तुम्हाला दोन एल्स लावायला लागतील. की आहे पण व्हॅल्यू सेम नाहीये तर retrieval false कर, आणि कीच नाहीये तरी retrieval false कर. मला एकाच मध्ये करायला लागेल. I just checked what? If key in dict2 and dict1 of key equal dict2 of key. So this verifies this key is present in dict2 as well. This verifies the data. And if that is same, we do what? Continue. Continue means what? It will take the next key. पुढे जाणार का continue? Continue will result into going to next value. So it will keep on continuing. If key is not found or data is not same, will come down. Retrieval will be set to false. Will break the loop. Return the retrieval. Retrieval is what? False. But after continue, if everything is same, what will happen? This will end. Will come out and return retrieval. What is retrieval's default value? True. It will return that because we neither entered here, we neither entered here, we neither entered here. समझ रहे क्या? और जो कंफ्यूजन कुछ लोगों को हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे आपने else क्यों नहीं लिखा, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. Had I not been doing here continue, I would have added here what? Else. Continue की वजह से control is directly going to jump to this. समझ रहे क्या? Are you getting it, everyone? Perfect. इथं dict1 मधली की उचलली, ती dict2 मध्ये आहे का बघितली. If that is present in dict2, you have that key, right? Then you just check their respective values. Similarly, then it will take the next key in dict1. It will again check whether that key is there in dict2. समझ रहे क्या? अरुण समझते का? काय confusion है? We are not sorting the keys because we are not taking the list out. We would have sorted. See, I said you two solutions. One solution was take out both the keys, then sort them and compare. Now I am not taking out both the keys. I am iterating on one, checking if that key is present in second one. If it is present in second one, I am checking their data. If that is also same, I continue because I want to proceed with next key. If that is not the case, I change the retrieval to false and break. Clear है क्या? फक्त इथे if, elif आणि else. So my return value is also single statement. So it's not like multiple places I need to write return. नाही मला कळलं नाही, नीट सांग. हा पण मग त्या केसमध्ये तुला कीज घ्यायला लागतील ना, बाहेर काढायला लागतील ना, आणि मग dict2 मधली मग तुला लूप लावायला लागेल dict2 वरच्या कीज वरती. काय पवन? बाउन्सर नाही ना? बाउन्सर नाहीये. हेच केलं असतं रे. जस्ट थिंक you have two containers where objects are placed in key value pair and you want to check whether both of them are same or not. What you would have done? You would have taken out this key, you would have checked whether it is there in second container. If you would have found it, then you would have taken both values and checked whether they are same or not. And if that is same, you continue with the next key. That is what I am doing. समझ रहे क्या? फिर से we are playing with the kids game. Yes. No, we are see corresponding key and their corresponding value. Yeah, then it is not same because key is different, right? Though vice versa it is same, but that is not the same scenario. See here it means exactly same, key same, value same, corresponding value same. नाही तर मग लिस्ट जर का घेतली कीजची आणि व्हॅल्यूजची तर सगळा राडा होईल मग. Because then it might happen that keys and values list matches but they are not placed exactly in dictionary in that sequence. मतलब अगर मैंने ऐसे किया 100 200 in first one, in second one I did 200 and 200. Now if you take out list of keys and list of keys from here, they match. You take off list of values, they also match. But are dictionary matching? Because for here key is 1, value is 100. For value 100 here key is what? 2. So if 1 match, the values are not matching. समझ रहे ना? But अगर आप लिस्ट निकालोगे सबका और वो लिस्ट कंपेयर करते बैठोगे, मतलब इसके कीज का कंपेयर किया, इसके कीज का किया, इसके वैल्यूज का इसके वैल्यूज का किया, तो वो सेम आने वाले. बट दैट डजंट मीन डिक्शनरी सेम. क्लियर है क्या? क्लियर टू एवरीवन? राइट ए प्रोग्राम. I hope you are writing main. You don't want me to write main, right? I hope everyone is clear with that. Am I main लितोस ना? हाँ. So your first homework is you have to explore byte array, byte array, byte array, byte array, byte array नावाचा जसा डिक्शनरी आहे तसा byte array नावाचा कंटेनर आहे. So you have to explore what it is, what it does, what's the purpose. BYTEARRAY, explore byte array. Then explore DQ or a deck, that is doubly ended queue. DEQUE. Then explore default dict. So these three containers you will be exploring, and then for your information you can go through collections module in Python which has hell lot of containers. So it depends on your use case which containers you want to use. These are the basic containers, okay. Then on top of them they are modified, like there is an order dict as well. So that's why I am telling you to explore these three that I am telling, and collections. Default dict. And explore म्हणजे काय? You have to go open their help page, create some sample, test it, call some methods. जैसे हमने लिस्ट के साथ किया, सेट के साथ किया, डिक्शनरी के साथ किया. You have to do that. Clear है क्या? Clear to everyone? I hope homework is clear. Now, the next topic or next introduction is file handling in Python. आज नको नाही, आज फक्त सिंपल सांगतो मी, कारण म्हणजे मला तुमच्याकडनं त्याच्यावरती असाइनमेंट परत एक होमवर्कला द्यायची म्हणून सांगतोय. अदरवाइज आय वुडंट आजच देणार ती असाइनमेंट होमवर्कला. अदरवाइज आय वुडंट हॅव टेकन फाइल हँडलिंग टुडे, बट आय वॉन्ट वन असाइनमेंट टू बी डन which is associated with file and dictionary. That's why file handling I will cover in the next lecture in thorough detail, that what happens when you open a file behind the screen. Okay, but for now the simplest example of file handling is this one. fd is equal to open and name of the file, let's say test.txt. Okay, and then lines is equal to fd dot read lines. So this lines will be a list which will contain what? All the lines. समझ रहे? If you want to do it, just do it. Just go to your Python prompt. In that directory you already have created some Python files, right? Py files are there. Just call this fd is equal to open that py file name, and then lines is equal to fd dot read lines, and then just type lines on your prompt. Just do this. Now from here the actual beginning of understanding Python starts. Till date we were just understanding common sense. झालं का? हाँ, अरे करंट डिरेक्टरीतली दे ना फाइल. See the Python prompt, if it is running from the respective directory, make sure that your file is present in that directory, or otherwise give the complete path. It gives you list of all the lines, right? Can you see that? Can you see that, everyone? झालं का रे अमय? दिसते का लिस्ट ऑफ लाइन्स? धर्मा, कॅन यू सी दॅट? अक्षय इकडे झालं का ग? काय झालं? काय एरर? फाईल नॉट फाउंड. एरर नो सच फाईल. बरोबर आहे ना, कारण तुझी test.txt नाव दिलंय ती त्या डिरेक्टरीत आहे का बघ बरं. हे कुठनं रन झालंय बघ, मी काय म्हटलं, हे कुठनं रन झालंय बघ जरा. एक मिनिट इकडे दे लॅपटॉप. आता काय कर माहिती का, की तू हा शेल कुठनं सुरू केलास? त्याच्याऐवजी तुझ्या ह्याच्यात आपण ह्याच्यात नाही टाकलं का, एन्व्हायरमेंट सेटिंग मध्ये पायथन टाकायला पाहिजे होतं ना मग. बरं ठीक आहे. पायथनचे प्रोग्राम्स कुठे ठेवलेत तू? समीक्षा पायथन का? तारखेप्रमाणे आहेत का? मग आता कुठल्या डिरेक्टरीत जाऊ? ठीक आहे, मी एका डिरेक्टरीत पोहोचलोय. आणि पायथन तुझा इन्स्टॉल कुठे आहे? प्रोग्राम फाइल्स मध्ये सी कोलनला. नाहीये प्रोग्राम फाइल्स मध्ये. सी कोलन पायथन मध्येच आहे. आता s.py ओपन कर. मी जे सिंटॅक्स दिलंय ना त्याने fd इज इक्वल टू ओपन s.py कर. मी काय केलं, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट वरनं तुझ्या त्या डिरेक्टरीत गेलो पायथन प्रोग्राम्सच्या आणि तिथून पायथनचा प्रॉम्प्ट सुरू केला c:python27/python.txt एंटर. आता तुझा पायथनचा प्रॉम्प्ट त्या डिरेक्टरीतनं सुरू झालाय. s.py नावाची फाईल आहे बघ वरती त्याच्याच डिरेक्टरीत. fd = open s.py कर. हो गया? Can you see this everyone? Everyone able to do it, right? Now comes the assignment. So your assignment is these lines which are written in this test.txt, right? They are in this format. So there are many such details. Okay, but each line is having what? Something equal to something. Clear hai? Can you tell me what is your assignment? Guesses? Guesses? He jumped out to the different context. He is bit correct, but what do you think? What is an assignment? You have to read this and then add it into dictionary. Not 1 is equal to. Name will be key, value will be Jitendra. Surname will be key, value will be Bhattar. समझ रहे क्या? You have to read your test.txt file is having lines which contain something equal to something, something equal to something. All lines are like something equal to something. Clear आहे? काय करायचं? त्या लाईनला तुकडा पाडायचा. पहिला जो समथिंग इक्वल टू समथिंग वाला पहिला समथिंग आहे that should be your key and next something will be your value. So you'll be creating what? A dictionary out of it.
So the file should contain this. The name is equal to this.
Anything, you take anything. Something equal to something should be there. You take anything. If you want me, I will send that file later. Okay, because then there are few more handlings that we need to do. So first basic assignment I want you to do it is you write your name, surname, everything, your attributes, and just see that it gets converted to dictionary and just print that dictionary. चाललं का तुझा? रीड लाइन झालं? कळली का असाइनमेंट? इज इट क्लियर? सिंपल असाइनमेंट. ये डिक्शनरी आएगा. लिस्ट कैसे आएगा? डिक्शनरी में आएगा ना. हाँ, रीड लाइन का रिजल्ट लिस्ट ही है ना, वही तो बोला मैं. इट्स अ लिस्ट. तो आपको लिस्ट पे इटरेट करना है. हर एक एंट्री उठा के इक्वल टू पे स्प्लिट मारना है. स्प्लिट मारने के बाद दो चीजें मिलेंगी. पहले वाली को की बताना है, दूसरे वाले को वैल्यू करके डिक्शनरी में डालना है. अभी मैंने ओरली आपको प्रोग्राम नहीं बता दिया, और उसके बाद वो डिक्शनरी प्रिंट करना है. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर टू एवरीवन? In the next lecture we will try to understand the fundamentals behind file handling. So what happens when we open a file behind the screen? मतलब सिस्टम क्या क्या डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में चेंजेस करता है. ओके, so we will understand that at a top level, but it will be a good overview. You will understand it. Then we will try to enhance this program where if this is a configuration file, something equal to something always comes in what? A configuration file, right? Your application has ini files or conf files, and they are usually what? With something equal to something. You later convert them to either JSON or dictionary, because JSON is nothing but a dictionary. Okay, so we'll see that how we can enhance our parsing logic to parse that, and then we will see which Python module supports this. So we'll first try to write our own module, and then we will use the ready-made module. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Okay, so see you on Saturday at 9:30 at Bhandarkar Road. Please make sure that you are programming.